This will be the greatest crypto bull market we have ever seen. Now, it's a lot of things that's going on in the crypto space, a lot of big things that's happening, and a lot of people are looking at prices today and not regarding what's going on, not just in the crypto space, but in the general markets. And we starting to see crypto really establish itself as a legit asset class with the Bitcoin ETFs, with the Ethereum ETFs that's coming soon, and they also just announced another crypto ETF that a big money manager has filed. So this is a lot of things going that's pretty much going to help the crypto space absolutely go crazy once we hit that altcoin season. And a lot of people don't even realize how, prices fluctuate during these times, and we in a period of accumulation slash consolidation. But at the same time, now might be one of the best times to really get into some of these positions before they take off. And I'm going to show some charts of my prediction of when the altcoin markets will top. And also, we're going to look at another thing, just showing how we are still super early to the crypto bull market. But before we get into it, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, man, turn on those notifications. I'm going to continue to bring crypto content each and every chance I get, because we are in one of the greatest times to be alive, man, generating wealth just by investing in these cryptocurrencies, especially right now when everything is distressed in the market, when people are capitulating, people are selling, people are saying that crypto is over. That is one of the best times to really get into the space. So let's talk about it, man. Let's get into it. Where we at with the crypto right now? So, man, I love to look at this chart showing the market cap for the entire crypto space right now. We are at about 2.6 or 2.2 $6 trillion in the market cap when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And one thing I always say, man, look at the previous all-time highs. We haven't even beat the previous all-time highs. Yes, we got close, but we are so far away, not so far, but so far away from the full-on bull market, because we know each and every cycle, these prices of the entire crypto space absolutely double. So we can see in 2021 it really did more than a double, because in 2020 we were at $198 billion market cap for the entire crypto space. By the end of the bull market, we were at $2.86 trillion, $2.86 trillion, man. So that absolutely 10x from where we previously were at in 2021. And I do believe, even though 2021 had a lot of things going on as far as COVID and things like that, and people were looking to just invest in anything because of, we were stuck in the house, and free money was being given away. Even though that occurred, I still believe every cycle it absolutely does at least a 10x, because in 2016 we seen, man, the market cap was once upon a time at $12 billion. By 2020 or 2018 we hit $500 billion. So easy, man, we at least 5x into 10x, because like I said, in 2015 actually we were at $3 billion. By the time of 2018, 3 years later, $740 billion. So a 10x right there. And we love to see those 10x's, and I do believe this crypto cycle will do a 10x as well, not just because of the Bitcoin halving, although that's a big factor, and we usually see prices go up after the Bitcoin halving, but now crypto is established as a legit asset class with some of the biggest money managers in the world. Not just money managers in the United States, but money managers worldwide are getting a Bitcoin ETF, and this is establishing it. Now, me personally, I wouldn't invest in a Bitcoin ETF. I would rather hold my own Bitcoin, because that's what it's all about, self-custody. But at the end of the day, this is how the big money is going to get into the crypto space. They don't want to have a decentralized wallet or hold their own private keys. They want somebody to control it for them, and they just make the profits and just invest in the money and not having to go all in or think about the ins and outs of Bitcoin itself. But this will establish it. And also, we're starting to see altcoins get ETFs as well. The Ethereum ETF is coming very soon, and now this was just filed The Vanacek is filing for Solana ETF is further proof that altcoins are coming to Wall Street. Crypto is helping bring volatility and risk back to public markets. This is something very, very big as well. Just seeing Solana, one of the top cryptocurrencies, somebody is filing an ETF for it, and that shows us that not only Bitcoin is a legit asset class, but the altcoins will follow as well, especially altcoins that are building like crazy. And that gives us so many opportunities right now in this point of time in the market to really dollar cost average into some of our favorite altcoins, because we seeing what the big money is doing. You always want to follow big money when it comes to investing. If a big company and they have a smart money manager behind it, you want to say, hey, like, it's a reason why they're doing it. They're not just doing it to make it look good or sound good. They're doing it because they know the potential of the altcoins in the space. So I always take heed of big money. Now, in the past two crypto cycles, alts have reached their all-time high exactly 500 days or 547 days post-halving. If the cycle repeats, this could be your last time to buy the, or last chance to buy the dip. However, the key to achieving 100x returns is to buy the right altcoin. So I'm not gonna just shield what he put on there, but I really like this chart, man. I like how the chart kind of shows us the cycles over the periods of time, because it looks very similar to the chart I showed that was showing the market cap for the entire crypto space. Now we can see back in 2013 there was a halving, and around 2014 we saw the top of the space, the altcoin space, and then we it went down back to the fire sale back going like into 2015, 2016. Then in 2016 we saw going into 2018 we saw that major peak. Went back to the fire sale days. 2020 it was down. 2020 was the Bitcoin halving, and then we see going into 2021 another peak, man, another peak in 2021, and then 2022 was kind of a dead period, and now we kind of in an accumulation stage in 2024 right after the Bitcoin halving. So we on the way to 150,000 for sure with Bitcoin. That's going to be guaranteed almost. Like, we know what's going on. We just waiting until the markets catch up to the actual value of Bitcoin. But after the Bitcoin halving, we see that cryptos and altcoins absolutely appreciate months after the Bitcoin halving. So we still got a little bit more time, guys. It's not completely over, but now is the time to really accumulate your favorite altcoins going into 2025, because 2025 we probably will see a peak in the altcoin space, and 547 days is looking like around October of 2025. So October of 2025, November of 2025, that is when I am expected to see the peak in the altcoin space. But now, man, we just accumulating like crazy and waiting until our bags pump. So like I said, man, this is a great opportunity in the markets for every retail investor before big money comes back in. They're trying to shake everybody out. They want everybody to believe it's over. Prices are dropping like crazy across the board. But at the same time, we know what the altcoins and Bitcoin does after the Bitcoin halving, and with a lot of more factors included, this will be probably one of the most amazing bull markets in our lifetime. And I think now a lot of people are starting to kind of understand what crypto is. And with the fear and greed index being 44 out of 100, people are still very much so fearful. We saw that big jump in the crypto space in around March, going into May. But then since May, everything has been tanking. But that gives us that opportunity of a lifetime to really accumulate and get in our Duffy, man. So Crypto Troll, that's my video for today. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, man, turn on those notifications. I'm out of here.